In the vast expanse of the cosmos, the question of whether we are alone continues to fascinate and intrigue. As we explore the universe, it's also intriguing to contemplate what forms intelligent life might take, and what levels of advancement they might achieve. In 1964, Russian astrophysicist Nikolai Kardashev proposed a scale, now known as the Kardashev Scale, to measure a civilization's technological advancement based on its energy consumption. This scale provides a framework for classifying civilizations into three primary types: Type 1, Type 2, and Type 3. The Kardashev scale is not merely about energy consumption, it reflects a civilization's capacity to harness and utilize energy, which directly correlates with its technological prowess. A civilization's energy consumption can be seen as a measure of its ability to control and manipulate its environment. From harnessing fire to building hydroelectric dams, our history as humans has been inexorably linked to our quest for energy. The scale begins with Type 1, a civilization capable of harnessing all the energy available on its home planet. This includes energy from its star that reaches the planet, as well as energy sources like geothermal, wind, and fossil fuels. Type 2 represents a significant leap forward, signifying a civilization capable of harnessing the total energy output of its star. The final category, Type 3, encompasses civilizations of immense power, capable of harnessing the energy of an entire galaxy. Where does humanity stand on this grand scale? As of 2025, we are still a Type 0 civilization, meaning we haven't even reached the first rung of the Kardashev ladder. Our energy consumption is predominantly reliant on fossil fuels, a finite and environmentally damaging resource. We are, however, on the cusp of a significant transition. The development of renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and geothermal is a clear indication of our progress towards becoming a Type 1 civilization. The transition to a Type 1 civilization is not simply about finding alternative energy sources, it's about achieving mastery over our planet's resources. This includes managing the environment, controlling the weather, and even predicting and preventing natural disasters. Imagine a world where hurricanes are steered away from populated areas, where earthquakes can be anticipated and mitigated, and where energy flows abundantly from clean, sustainable sources. This is the promise of a Type 1 civilization. A Type 2 civilization represents a quantum leap from Type 1, characterized by its ability to harness the total energy output of its star. This concept was famously popularized by physicist Freeman Dyson, who proposed the theoretical Dyson sphere as a mechanism for achieving this. A Dyson sphere, in its simplest form, would be a megastructure enveloping a star, capturing its entire energy output. While still in the realm of science fiction, the concept of a Dyson sphere highlights the type of ambitious thinking required to comprehend a Type 2 civilization. Achieving Type 2 status would necessitate mastery over technologies far beyond our current capabilities. Fusion power, the same energy source that powers stars, would likely be a cornerstone of such a civilization. Space-based solar power, collected by vast arrays of satellites and beamed back to the planet, would be another. With the ability to harness the energy of a star, a Type 2 civilization could power even the most energy-intensive activities imaginable. Interstellar travel, terraforming planets, and even manipulating the very fabric of space-time could become possible. At the pinnacle of the Kardashev scale are the Type 3 civilizations. These civilizations would have colonized entire galaxies, accessing the energy output of billions of stars. The technological capabilities of a Type 3 civilization are almost incomprehensible to our current understanding. They would likely possess advanced forms of artificial intelligence, the ability to manipulate matter at a subatomic level, and perhaps even the means to travel through time. While we are still far from even becoming a Type 1 civilization, contemplating the possibilities of Type 2 and Type 3 civilizations fuels our imagination and inspires us to push the boundaries of science and technology. The Kardashev scale serves as a reminder of the vast potential that lies ahead for humanity and the incredible future we might one day achieve. The journey towards becoming a Type 1, and then a Type 2 or even Type 3 civilization, will be fraught with challenges. It will require global cooperation, technological innovation, and a fundamental shift in how we view ourselves as a species. Yet, the rewards are equally immense.